Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlaira. In this video, I'll show you how to install RubyMine on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon model. This guide works for both. If you're a Ruby developer, RubyMine is one of the best IDEs for Ruby and Rails. Built by JetBrains, it offers smart code assistance, powerful debugging tools, and smooth integration with popular frameworks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just as well. In the search bar, type Download RubyMine and press Enter. Click on the official JetBrains link from the search results. I've also included the direct link in the video description below. Once you're on the download page, choose your Mac version, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time will depend on your internet connection. After it finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will appear. Just drag the RubyMine icon into the Applications folder. This will install RubyMine on your Mac. Once it's done, close the window and move the installer to the trash to free up space. Now, open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and launch RubyMine. If you get a message saying, RubyMine was downloaded from the internet, just click Open. On the first launch, you'll be asked to accept the user agreement. Click Continue to proceed. If you already have a license key, select Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, click Start Free Trial to begin using RubyMine for free, and that's it. RubyMine is now installed and ready to help you start building amazing Ruby and Rails projects. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple tech tutorials from iFlaira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.